Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the force zoom for all sites on Chrome on computer. So whenever you open the Chrome browser and browse any website, and if you want to increase the font size or if you want to magnify it, you can use the three dot options here, and then you can choose to zoom in. So say suppose I want to make it the text larger, I can add the plus sign and use this negative sign to minimize. However, this setting will be stay limited. It will be only available till the browsing session. After you close the browser and reopen it, it will just vanish and it will back to the default settings. But if you want to make this setting permanent, or if you want to set a zoom level permanent, what you can do is you can visit this Chrome settings page, so which says Chrome:/settings, and if you visit here and go to appearance, and if you navigate to the bottom or scroll to the bottom, here you have this page zoom option, and you can set it to any percentage from here. Say suppose if you want to increase the zoom level, you can set to 25, and it will automatically set the zoom level for all the pages and even on the options menu. So similarly, you can choose 80, which will reduce the size. So in this way you can customize, and once you have set this option, even if you close and reopen the Chrome browser, the setting of 120 page zoom will still remain the same. So in this way you can set the default zoom level or force zoom on all sites in Chrome app on computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.